Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad with mixed vegetables. Chop vegetables into uniform bite-sized pieces, wash thoroughly, and dry well before assembling. Start with a base of mixed greens, then add colorful vegetables, a protein if desired, and a handful of nuts or seeds for crunch. Toss with dressing just before serving to keep ingredients crisp and bright. Season with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon to taste. I walk through ingredient choices and how to balance flavors, textures, and colors for a satisfying salad. Choose a variety of vegetables like tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, carrots, and red onion. Add greens such as romaine, spinach, or mixed baby greens, and consider a protein like grilled chicken, chickpeas, or tuna for substance. Finish with a simple dressing, herbs, and a sprinkle of salt and pepper to enhance bright freshness. I share dressing recipes and practical tips to make your salad pop, plus storage advice. Whisk together olive oil, vinegar or lemon juice, Dijon mustard, honey, salt, and pepper for a basic vinaigrette. Taste and adjust acidity, sweetness, and seasoning before tossing. To prevent sogginess, keep dressing separate until serving, and store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Label containers with date and sniff before eating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.